Hello everyone, welcome to the ETU-Link lecture hall. I'm Serene. Today's video will introduce you to what is a CWDM SFP Plus optical module. Let's take a look with me below. The CWDM optical module is an optical transceiver module that combines CWDM wavelength division technology. It combines optical signals of different wavelengths and transmits them through a single optical fiber, thereby saving optical fiber resources. The CWDM SFP Plus optical module adopts a hot swappable SFP Plus package, a duplex LC interface, and a transmission rate of 10 GB. The transmission distance is from 10 km to 100 km, and the optional wavelength is 1270 nanometers to 1610 nanometers, interval 20 nanometers. The CWDM SFP Plus optical module has 18 wavelengths: front wave 1270 nanometers to 1450 nanometers, back wave 1470 nanometers to 1610 nanometers. Passive Wave Division Networking Solution Model 1. 6 colored optical modules of different wavelengths pass through a WDM passive wavelength splitter to combine optical signals of different wavelengths on a single optical fiber for transmission. Passive Wave Division Networking Solution Model 2. 12 colored optical modules with different wavelengths pass through the WDM passive wavelength splitter to combine optical signals of different wavelengths on a single optical fiber for transmission. The above is the CWDM SFP Plus optical module knowledge introduced by ETU-Link. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, remember to give a like and repost it. Love you!